I'm melting. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. Today's video is definitely for you if you're looking for a Tesco grocery haul with some meal ideas, dinner ideas, some lunch ideas, all of that goodness. We're a family of 5 and I've got 2 teenagers and a 7-year-old. We're just back off holiday. The kids are off on school holidays as well, so it's not all going to be really healthy. It's a realistic grocery haul. Anyway, enough of me rambling. Show you what I had on the food shop and give you some ideas, and then I'll meet you back here and we will do our meal plan for the week, and I'll give you some dinner ideas and some lunch ideas and all of that goodness. We have a bit of a random bit here, so I'll start off with the random bits because let's just get them out the way. I've got my cat litter. That's only about £2 for 10 litres in case you've got a cat. His food, he only likes this one. He's very fussy cat, and his catkin as well, which is his fresh food, but that just keeps him topped up. Got some sandwich bags, some baby wipes, and then these were on offer. I've run out of my ashwagandha tablets, so I thought these were on offer for £8. I'm going to give them a go. But this one's the Astro Dust, so it's more like a relaxing unwind one. I thought it would help me with my anxiety, but they're full of such good stuff. They're on offer at the minute for a 7-pack for £8, so I thought that was really good. But I've saved up some vouchers and stuff, so a bit random again. We've got some naan breads. These are, let me just move them, 2 huge garlic and coriander ones, and I'll either use them to do with a curry. I haven't actually done my meal plan yet, which we will do at the end together, or use them as a pizza base. We make nanitsa pizzas and they are amazing. Got some pita breads, some hot dog buns because we're going to have hot dogs for lunch one of the days. It's such a quick and easy one with the kids being off. Tropical squash, cinnamon and raisin bagels, some hot cross buns. The kids love these and they're really cheap as well. They are a bit of a sweet treat, but yeah, there's a lot of sugars in those. Oh my goodness. Some crumpets. So that's sort of like breakfast and breads. Then we're going on to the fruit and veg. Right, so I've got 2 packs of these Nightingale Farms peppers. They're really cheap. You don't always know what colours you're going to get of the peppers. So I've got 2 packs of them, but they always seem absolutely fine and good value for money. I've got some curly kale, a cucumber, got this root ginger. The ginger was only 96p. Got some wild rocket, some baby leaf salad as well, some green beans, an iceberg lettuce, some brown onions, some spring onions, some cherry tomatoes and some bean sprouts. So that's all the veg. Now we're on to fruit. I don't know why I said it like that. Fruit. So I've got pineapple. I think these were on offer as well. I think it was about 95p. I'm not sure. Watermelon. Got 3 packs of lemons. I've got some kiwi fruit, ripen at home ones. The kids love them. 2 packs of bananas, some apples, some grapes, and then we're on to like the fridgy bit. Please excuse the chopping board in the in the sink. Yeah, and then I've got 2 of these UHT milks. They're great. We have one in the fridge and then you can just store some in the cupboard, and I feel like they just taste the same anyway, and they're very cheap. I've got some 50% less fat creme fraiche and some single cream, and then I've got these Activia Gut Health yogurts, and then this is my yogurt. I love this one. It's real Greek yogurt and it's only about £2 something. We usually have the big one, but I just wasn't eating. I wasn't eating it before it went off. So yeah, it's only really me that eats that one. And then we've got our big block of cheese. This will last about a week and a bit because my family love cheese. Then we're on to meats, and I've got a 1 kilogram pack of chicken drumsticks, 2 packs of breast fillets, chicken breast fillets, and they're 1 kilogram each as well. I think they were about £6 with the club card. 500 grams of this pork lean mince. It's only 5% fat. It's really high in protein, and it's only £2.50 for 500 grams, so it's way cheaper than beef. It's just a bit high in sodium, that's the only thing. I've got this chicken mince as well. These do great for like stir fries and lasagnas and things like that. This is only £2.50 a pack as well, which is such good value for money because chicken, like everything is more expensive at the minute, I know, especially beef. So that's all the raw meat that we've got. And then we've got some seafood sticks. The kids love these. Some cooked ham for sandwiches. I just got this. I normally get this for food shop day just to make my life easier. Yeah, this bit is a little bit random now. Got some tortelloni. Have I said it right? I'm sure I'll get corrected. There was someone in the comments last time who was having a good moan. Yes, they've got that. Riley loves that. He'll have that with spinach and cream. And then up here, I've sort of just plonked everything in this corner, haven't I? I've just got some random bits for the kids. Some crisps. We've got a 6-pack. It's like the meaty variety. We've got beef and onion, roast chicken, smoky bacon. And then there's a 5-pack here of the veggie straws. We love these. And they're not bad for you either. So as you can see there. And then Tesco have started doing these mini Pringle packs. We took them on holiday with us. We are back now. And they were amazing. I think they do the ready salted, barbecue and the sour cream and onion one. But I just got one this week because just trying to slowly eat less junk, she says, and then points to the cookies. Got these for the cookie jar. I am going to switch up the, can you see it? It's still going strong. But yeah, there's like 2 cookies left, so they do eat them. But yeah, I just got these. They're really cheap. Just for a little treat when someone wants something to eat. And then we saw these. I think these were on offer as well. They are tiny though. I've already put them in the freezer because by the time I've put all of this out nice and neat and organised, apart from this corner, everything would melt. So yeah, so we're going to try these ones. They look very nice, but they're only small, which I thought, actually, that's not bad. Like, you don't feel bad them having a little treat after dinner then. Got some mayonnaise. This one is full fat, but it's very cheap. I think it's 86p, but it could have gone up. Got some eggs. We've already got eggs. I'm just topping up every time we do a shop. These fish fingers, they didn't have the normal ones, but these are gluten-free, so, and they were on offer, so we'll see what they're like. And Hope's been asking for some veggie fingers randomly, so I just thought, you know what, they've got veg in if she's going to eat it, good. So we've got those. We used to get lots of them when Riley was a vegetarian, but he eats meat again now, so we don't really buy a lot of that stuff. And a random little mini pizza that Hope asked for. I think these are like 50p or something. Tins and packets and things and stuff to go with dinners. So I always get this, not on every food shop, but every like 3 or 4 food shops. We'll get a big 3kg bag of pasta because it just lasts. The boys eat lots of pasta, it goes far, and yeah, it's good value for money. Got this rice as well. I used to be a rice snob and always have basmati, but it got so expensive. These are, I think, about 68p for 1kg, and they're all right. Like, you get used to it. I've got 2 packs of these tortilla wraps. We've got 1 pack of like 8 mini tortilla wraps as well. 3 packs of these egg noodles. They're the medium ones. They're great for stir fries or bang bang chicken and stuff like that. Hold on, camera wants to go everywhere. Another random emergency meal. They're not that bad actually though, they're all green, and they cook really fast as well. Hope loves these. I do as well, to be honest. We've got some instant mashed potato. Again, quick meals, you know, when the kids are swimming and everything and they're just hungry instantly, like, and I love this as well. Just boil the kettle, throw it in there, and you've got food in your stomach within minutes. So yeah, they're quite good and they're cheap as well. There's 4 packets in there. So tins, I've got 1 tin of light coconut milk. We've already got some in the cupboards, so don't need any more. I've got 3 tins of these new potatoes, and honestly the boys, I've taught them how to make like fast chips with them and they love them, so they keep asking for more and more, and it's clean eating as well. What we do is you drain the water, throw the potatoes in the air fryer, chop them up. I usually use the lid, if I'm honest. I know it's naughty, but just use the lid to chop them in half, and then spray them with some fry light. Throw your seasoning on or olive oil, and then pop them in the air fryer for I think about 10 minutes, and they're all right. They're so nice. And then I've got 2 tins of baked beans, 2 tins of hot dogs, a 4-pack of tuna. It's tuna in spring water. Some sweet corn, some pesto. The boys like to have pesto with the pasta. They'll make it themselves for lunch and stuff. So yeah, and Riley also likes to make pesto pizza as well. It smells amazing when he does it, but I just don't like green pesto, just funny. And we're all out of smoked paprika, so I've got some more of that, and then some honey. Right, so that's all of it that I've shown you, I think. So I'm going to grab my meal planner and we'll write the meals down together, and I'll show you what we're going to have this week. Right, so now you have seen the haul. It came to about I think it was about $1.39, and that was with a couple of vouchers and things on as well. It was a good price. Already got a few things that we needed, and some of the things we ran out of, like the big bag of pasta. I don't always get that like every week. Probably do 2 big food shops a month and then lots of little ones, if that makes sense. I just tend to go around wherever is cheapest. I've now written all my meals on, so that is what we're having this week. I'll read them out to you and just explain a bit. The drumsticks, we're going to have jerk chicken. It's just a bottle jar sauce. I am cheating. Jerk drumsticks and salad. On Tuesday we're having green Thai curry. I've already got a paste that was in the cupboard. On Wednesday we're having sausage tacos. Beef has gone through the roof in price, so what I've started doing is getting the chicken mince and the sausage mince at 5% fat, so it's still lean. The only thing about the sausage mince is the sodium, which I am trying to watch because of my heart. So, because I got electrocuted, if you're new around here. But anywho, so yeah, sausage tacos, not had them before. We're actually having them tonight, so I'll let you know how I get on. I'll try and insert a little picture if I haven't edited and put this video out already. I'm getting a bit too close, you're going to see all my wrinkles. Stir fried chicken, and then on Friday we're having fajitas. Saturday we're having chicken chili, that's with the chicken mince as well. We've actually already had that and it is so good. And then Sunday is a self-serve night, which means I will feed the little one. My older ones can either have leftovers that they can help themselves to, or I usually do like a big pot of tuna pasta, or they can have pesto pasta. I've also got some ideas that I'll write down on here. Yeah, they can have chips, pizza. I'll normally do like some fish fingers and mash and veg as well. As for like lunches and things, you probably saw as I did the haul, the big clay naan breads, they were so good. They literally take 10 minutes to cook as well and 5 minutes to prep, and it's a nice little activity that you can do with the kids as well. I should have a short out on that soon, making them. They're easy, but the one I made was so good. So those are called nanitsa pizzas. You just use the naan bread as a base, or you can use pita breads. We also had hot dogs. What else? The potato chips, they were like, oh, they're so good. I think I might do a separate video on those actually. A few little lunch ideas, and noodles is normally a go-to as well, or jagged potatoes. But yeah, the self-serve nights are my favourite because it means I get a little bit of a break. We try and buy as much whole foods as we can and cook from scratch, but it's never going to be perfect and it's not going to please everyone. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some dinner ideas, meal ideas, lunch ideas, inspiration, or just enjoyed seeing the prices of foods in Tesco. They're constantly changing, so I will be sure to do another one next time we get one. If you want me to go shopping anywhere else, or you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments. Where do you do your food shop normally? I love Tesco because of the club card. I tend to like save my vouchers up, and then we have like a big discount off one of the food shops, which is always handy. So yeah, anyway, I'm rambling and I'm melting. The kids are waiting to come in the kitchen and make more snacks, obviously. So I'm going to love and leave you guys. Don't forget to give the video a like and hype it if you did enjoy it. It really helps us small creators out, and subscribe if you're new. And with all of that said, I am going to go and melt. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.